Welcome, in front of me is Xiaomi REDMI Pad 2, and in this video I will tell you what to do if you forgot the screen lock pattern to your tablet. So in such case, the best option would be to take your time and try to remember the pattern that you entered the last time. And if you can't do that, then you can contact Xiaomi customer support service and let them know about your issue. And if you can prove the ownership of the tablet to them, they will most likely help you solve the problem and let you regain access to your device without the need to remove any files from your device. And if this option sounds unavailable for you too, then you can use Find My Device feature to remotely erase all data from your tablet. To do that, you simply have to open the Find Hub service by Google on the web using any of your other devices, and then log into your Google account there and find this tablet on the list and select factory reset to erase all data from your tablet remotely. After that, you will be able to regain access to it. And if you can't do that, you can also do the hard reset operation locally, which will also remove all data from your tablet. And to do that, you'll have to use recovery mode, and if you don't know how to access it, we have an entire video on our channel explaining you how to do that step by step. So if you're interested, go ahead and check it out. And that will be all for this video, so thank you very much for watching it. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.